the I-Pace, the Jaguar I-Pace, for me, it's already an icon. It's something unique. You don't expect this design, and you don't expect the inside of the car and the way it feels when you drive this car. I really love it, and it redefines the conception of going from A to B, because you're enjoying just to drive with no sound, and you can hear the birds when you're in the street, all this kind of thing. That's very different. That's more comfortable, more cozy. I like this atmosphere. Yeah, the electricity and the electromobility, especially with this electric car, is going, I think, on a good way. It helps to have a better world, less pollution, all these kind of things. So for sustainability is good as well. And people are really thinking how to integrate more of these cars in our life today. And here in Munich, we have the first Jaguar I-Pace taxi float. That's a great thing, and I found it very cool. And I'm sure all the customers will love it. I really love my team. I think we are really a good team. With Andrea, the second woman in our team, it's big support. This is great. And then with Christian Danner, my coach for the racing part, this is great as well. I have very good tips from him, and obviously all the Jaguar people involved in this project. It's really a good thing.